under $100, brand new from the outlet. So like when I say like, yeah. It's time to get a little gucky up in here. Get it? Gucky? Gucky? Where my Gucci gang at? Where my Gucci gang at? Where my Gucci gang at? Oopsie. Grabbing and gabbing, Gucci. Gucci gabbing and Gucci grabbing. Grabbing and gabbing, Gucci geek. I'm a Gucci geek. Accidentally went shopping. Oopsie. That's what happens. Shopaholic, right? Am I right? An unboxing / talking about outlets. I know I talk a lot about designer bags and things, but I also love a good deal, right? Gucci gabbing. Go Gucci grab. I kind of just impulse bought a couple things, but it's from the outlets, and I don't feel like I've ever talked about outlets. Gucci grabbing guy. God guy. Gal. Gucci grabbing God guy. I just call myself a god. Oops. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike, and I'm a fashion freak, a Goyard geek, a Gucci geek. Maybe a Gucci geek. Oh, my name is Mike. I'm a fashion freak, a Gucci geek, a Gucci geek, a luxury lover, a shopaholic shithead, and today's video is a impulse Gucci grab, go crazy Gucci guy grab video from the outlets. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. Keep on watching. So unboxing, Gucci, my Gucci love. Gucci love for shoes. I love Gucci shoes. It's my favorite shoe. And then outlets. Totally unplanned. This just happened this morning. So I was going to get my teeth cleaned for my sister. I was just, teeth cleaned, nails done, the whole shebang. Also, like, love being a luxury lover, but also a bargain shopper, like a deal. Lover of a good deal. I mean, I am Indian after all. Desi, negotiating, gotta get the best deal, gotta get a good price. And I don't really talk about outlets enough, but I do love outlet shopping. I do love it. They have such good deals, especially, I could do a whole other video on stuff that I've gotten. Maybe I will. Bargain shopping, haggling, haggling? The outlets, haggling, what? Okay, so, starting over. So, I was going to get my hands and nails did. So I was getting my teeth cleaned. And as a new dentist, well, it's my same dentist, but his son, who's my age, who's now has his own practice. Shout out Anish and Dr. Pui. It's a newer office. It's across the street from the outlets. And I was like, oh, well, it's a newer office. I wanted to go, and also because it's across the street from the outlets, and I couldn't help myself. I literally even told my sister's fiance, I was like, I can't help myself. I'm here at the outlets. He was like, where are you? I'm like, I couldn't help myself. I went to the outlets. And I thought that the Gucci outlet was closed there, but actually I found out when I went and walked in that they literally opened it up today, because I always thought I had to go to Cabazon one, but I guess they reopened this one that was closed, which I was like, oh my God. So I was going there anyway to get this diaper bag for my cousin's wife who's been asking me for this diaper bag, and I couldn't get in France for her. So I was trying to get this diaper bag. I went in, they had it, I took some photos, and then my aunt, who's still here, was looking for a champagne gold bag, and I sent her some photos, but she didn't want any of those. I was just walking around, and I was like, oh, Gucci outlet. Okay, I don't know, I don't think I've ever talked about outlets before, but like I love outlet shopping. Like it's so, and I can do a whole other video. I will maybe do a whole other video on outlet shopping and stuff I got. Usually at Cabazon, which has great deals, has so many amazing things there. Every brand you could ever want there, besides like the big Frenchies, but like every other brand is there and has a deal. And during Black Friday or Labor Day sales, it's like 40 to 80 to whatever % off. It's ridiculous. I am not above outlet shopping. Like I know I talk a lot about like designer bags and like high end. I know I talk a lot. I know I talk about these expensive bags and these like none of these are ever on sale, right? Maybe Prada, but these guys never go on sale. Never on sale, right? Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes, Goyard never go on sale. Brands that I talk about never go on sale. Or it's like secret private sales that are in France that you have to like be invited to, or Chanel's secret sales that you have to be invited to. Goyard, I don't think that does it, or as far as I know, they don't do it. Louis Vuitton, I don't think does either. Chanel, but I think Hermes sales never have bags anyway. It's just like accessories. And Chanel sales also never have bags, if I understand correctly. It's just other things. It's never leather good sales. Anyway, Gucci has great sales, always. The Cabazon outlet has great sales. It's like always like an hour wait to get in, and you have to like do this whole thing. And like luckily I have an essay there now, so I can just text and get photos and do the whole like ship it to me, pay the shipping, blah, 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 instead of going there. This outlet just new. I had an outlet person at the old one, it's gone. But anyway, so my point is I'm not opposed to a good outlet shopping. I love outlet. I know I talk about luxury bags, but I also love a good deal because I'm very desi, and my parents just love me. So anyway, this was a deal. This is a great deal. And I love Gucci mostly. The stuff I have from Gucci is shoes. I love their shoes. Every type of shoe there. I have so many of their high tops. They fit me well. They're comfortable. They're easy to walk in for men's high top shoes. Their slides. I love their slides. Their horsebit shoes. They're, what are they called? The horsebit mule thing. The like like dressy shoe, but then a flat back with the fur or without the fur. Love the slides, love the shoes, love even the regular tennis shoes things, and then the drivers, everything. I feel like they make really good shoes. They're very comfortable. I've always loved Gucci shoes. I've always bought Gucci shoes. So clearly, when I was there, it's like I have to get some shoes. So I got 3. When I say, okay, so this is a new outlet. So like everything was there. Was like, it was a little crowded, but it's Thursday. It's the first day they opened up. There were bags there for under $1,000. Like when I say like go Gucci grabbing, like you guys should go Gucci grab. Don't run, not walk. Run, not walk. Go Gucci grabbing. Gabbing, Gucci grabbing. Gucci gabbing. Gucci gabbing. GEEK. Gucci. When I say yeah, go, because they were bags like under $1,000. There was so many, like they had all the North Face stuff, and it's brand new. And these 3 things I got, steal of a deal. Steal of a deal. I mean, like, you know, relatively, but like for Gucci, steal of a deal. So I was looking around, I was looking at the things. I took a bunch of photos of everything that I liked, sent it to my aunt, sent it to my mom, sent it to people like the bags. I sent a couple, my best friend, he wants like one of those crossbody like bum bags. So I took photos of that. So I took photos of like a bunch of the things there. There's a bunch of really cool stuff. I took photos of everything in the store, but I always gravitated to the shoes. I looked at some shoes and like, I kid you not, okay, all these shoes, A, are under $200, B, under $150, and 2 of them are under $100. Under $100. Brand new from the outlet. So like when I say like, yeah. I cannot believe it. I asked him literally when I saw the price, I was like, I want this in this size, this size, this size, this size. He only let me get 1 of each. I think there's probably a limit. I asked him if I could get more, and he said he'll like search, but then I had to leave, and he was like, it'll be 15, 20 minutes, I'll text you. I was like, fine, or a size bigger or whatever. And then I wanted to get like the size for my mom too. So I probably will go back and get more, because I'm definitely gonna go back and get that diaper bag, because I took the photos for my cousin's flight, but it was India time. It was 11 a.m. or 11:30, so she was already asleep. So now I just got the text back today. So anyway, I know I'm talking very fast. First I was gravitated towards the one shiny metallic shoe, which is what I got. So I got, this was the first one I got. And I was like, I tried it on, I tried a few sizes. I was like, yep, I will take it. Care packages, blah, blah, blah. Extra pair of laces. I mean, you guys, this was $125. $125 for a brand new pair of Gucci shoes. $125. It's silver metallic. You guys know I love my silver metallics. It's brand new and it's Gucci and it's $125. Like, I still cannot get over this. $125. Like, and I can see the original retail. $680. $680 to now $125. Like, So the first pair I got. Then I was like, as I was trying on, I was sitting down and I saw these slides, and I looked at them and I looked at the price, and I was like, no freaking way. So then I asked him, I was like, can I get 1 of each of these? Can I try them on? And then he brought them out, they fit, and I was like, okay, I'll take them both. Can I get another pair? And I think maybe they have like limits, or like they don't want you to buy too many because maybe they think you're gonna flip them or resell them or whatever they think, or whatever, like whatever. So he let me get 1 of each, but I said, he gave me his number and he texted, my phone died actually, because I was trying to send photos and video and take so many things. So my phone died in the middle of it too. So I had to go to the car and charge it after. But so I was like, here, just text me photos of this bag, this bag, this bag. And he's like, we don't have the ship, they don't have the ship like Cabazon, they don't have the like buy and ship yet. They said it's gonna be a month that's set up, but they're a brand new store. They have a year-long lease. He's like, if you get a questionnaire, answer like that you like this so that we can stay, blah, blah, blah. But it was pretty crowded. Like a lot of people were there and a lot of people bought stuff. Really cute girl next to me was moving to New York and like going to school, and she just bought like this Gucci bag that was like, she was like, it's great for work and it's great for travel and it's like so smart and so cool and so like subtle and blah, blah, blah. Must have been a good deal. Everything looked like it was a good deal. But these, okay, these were both $80 each. 80 each. Like, oh, also the tax is less because for some reason these cities have less tax. Like it's even less, so I'm paying less than tax. If I do have it shipped to me though, I have to pay the tax of the delivery location. So when I have it shipped, I get to pay the regular tax. When I buy it there, you gotta drive there, and then gas, blah, 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 blah. But when you drive there, you go and buy a bunch of stuff. That's what I always do when I go to the outlets. When I go to Cabazon, I do like 2 a day or 2 day for the big sales, and I buy like 100 things. I'm gonna do another video on the outlets. I'm talking really fast because I'm trying to get this done because I gotta post it today for you guys. I'm gonna try to post it for today to you guys, and then I gotta run to the casting director Artios Awards, which are tonight, and I'm already late for, very late for. So that's what I'm talking about. So these were $80, okay? So I asked him to give me different sizes. He said, he texted me photos. He said he was gonna send me, he said he was gonna let me know if they came in other sizes. I also asked him about the diaper bag, and I also asked him a couple other things. So I think I probably bombarded him a little bit, but hopefully he gets back to me. Again, $80. And they're so soft. They're like squishy, comfy. They're rubber soles, but they're like leather up here. $80, you guys. I wanna go back tomorrow and get like 10 more. Like, I can give this to everyone in the world. Got that one. Just let me show you so you guys can see. 80. And the original price, 420. 420 to 80, that is what? Like 30, 320 is, it's like 80% off. I already did this one. So I wanted one of these. That one I think is gonna give my dad, and then I want another one of these for Andrew, and then I'm gonna get another one of those for me. Or I'll just share that one with my dad, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, 80. 80. White with red. I mean, I can't do that. I love outlets. Oh my god. Gucci's always a good one. And then I went to the Prada outlet right after. I didn't end up getting anything because their prices were not that great, but they're closing in a week. So I got the guy's contact info and I was gonna go back and get more stuff. Look, this was 3 things, 125, 80, 80, and then plus tax, it was 305. 305, so I averaged basically $100 per shoe with tax. I mean, I know that maybe that's expensive, whatever, it's all relative, but like, even like regular Nikes and like, you know, Adidas's aren't like around, like, I think they start like 50, 60, 70. I don't even know how much they go for now, but like $100 is not a lot for a shoe. I got 3. I'm so happy. Also, they charge you 10 cents for the bag now. Basically, they're trying to follow all the rules so they don't get kicked out or whatever. But so, I paid 10 cents for this bag. Okay. That's all I got. I would talk more about this, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you gonna go get stuff that's out? I'm gonna go get more stuff. I'll post. Did you like any of the stuff that I posted in these clips? What do you guys think? Should I go get more? What do you guys think? I would love to hear your thoughts. Gucci Gabbing. What do you guys think about Gucci in general? Like, let me know in the comments below what you think. Okay, it's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time with me. Gucci gang. Oh, Gucci gang. That's what Gucci gang. Gucci gang. Gucci gang. Gucci gang.